Hello everyone, welcome back to day 16 of our 30-day Power BI series. I'm Umi Asma and today we are diving into one of the most visually engaging visuals in Power BI, the pie chart. Okay, so pie charts are perfect for showing proportions and percentages, making your data visually appealing and easy to understand. So now let's explore how to use them effectively and we are going to avoid some common pitfalls here. Okay, what is a pie chart? So, as I told you, pie charts are very simple yet effective, and it is way to represent the proportions, percentage, or parts of a whole. While they are easy to understand, it's important to use them wisely. So, let's dive into Power BI to see how to create and format pie charts effectively. All right, let's get started. So, this is our Power BI. On the right hand side, I have my data here, orders data. Okay, now here I have a fields called a city, country, customer ID, customer name, customer segment, so on and so forth. All right. So in today's video, we are gonna learn about a pie chart. So double click on it. You get a tile on the screen. You can drag it and increase the size of the pie chart here. All right. So whenever you click on a pie chart, you get a three fields here, three data fields. That is your legend, values, and details. So in the legend, I'll be giving a product category because I have a three categories here. That is your furnitures, office supplies, and technology. Okay. Now in the values, I'll be giving a sales. Let's give a sales here. Okay. So this is a sale. Okay. We are giving it, and I want to give a product category in details. Okay. Yes, so see here, product category that is office supplies. This is your office supplies, this section, and the orange color you see, this is your technology. The blue color is your furniture, and the sum of the sales you can see here in the furniture is 6,60,704.31. Okay, yes, so now I want to see the average here. So you can just click on the average and you can see the average of the sales here on the pie chart. Okay, no, I just wanted to see you don't get options. Okay, so when you click on the values, only then you get a options called sum, average, maximum, minimum, count, distinct count, standard deviation, median, variance. Okay, so these are the options you get it only in the value field. So you don't get in the legends field, and in the details also, in the details fields also you don't get that. Okay, so only in the values you can get those options. All right. So now let's look at the format page here. Let's go for the format. So here we have a for legends, slice, detail labels, rotation. Okay, so these are the format sections we have it. So when I click on a legend, you can see my legend is on here. You can position the legend whether to top left. So here top left. So the legend goes to the top left. No, I just don't want to give in the on the top left. So I want to give it on the center left. Okay. So here you can see the center left. So you can align the position wherever you want it on the screen. Okay. Yeah. Now next we have a text. So if you want to change a text, you can just change it. You can select I want to keep it in a Times New Roman. Okay. And I'll increase the size of the legend here. So you can see it. Okay. And I want to keep it a bold. You can keep it a bold. If you want to change a color, you can change the color as well. See? Yeah. Perfect. So now if you want to give a title, you can give a title. So I don't want the product category. I don't want this product. I want only the category to be displayed. So you can change, see the changes here on the screen. All right. Yeah. So now the legend we have seen. Let's look at the slices. So here in the legends we have a three categories, right? Furniture, technology, and office supply. So by default you got this color. Now if you want to change a color, you can change it. If you want to give a furniture, you can give a different color for the furniture, and you don't want this color, you want to change that color, so you can change it. Okay, the office supplies colors also you can change it. So this is the slices here. We have it. All right. Yeah, let's keep some dark colors here. Okay, so this looks good. So slices we have seen. Now here we have a detail label. So in the detail label, you can position that like outside, inside, or where to give. See the labels which you see on the pie chart. So I have given a inside here, so you can see it inside the pie chart. No, I just don't want to give that inside. I prefer outside. So here, this is how you get the labels. Okay, so I prefer inside, so you get it on inside the pie chart. All right. So next here you have data values. You can select the data values, label contents. Okay, and if you want to give a percent of total, you can give a percentage of the total here. If you want to give a category or data value, you can category plus data value, you can give that. Okay, so that the furniture, office supplies, and the technology, you will be seeing it together, and the values as well. All right, so we are done with the slices and the details labels. Okay, now let's look at the rotation. So you can rotate it, our pie chart here. See, to the degree. So the small, you can see that is a degree. So you can rotate our pie chart here. Okay, so this see, these pie charts are very useful while you are creating a dashboards. Okay, you can display the percentage. You can click on the data labels and you can change the sections as well. Go to the format, and here you have a different properties, title, effects, data formats, header icons, tooltips. So you guys already know this, right? Because I have been explaining since from when I started my visuals in the videos. Okay. Yes, so like to make your pie charts effective, keep the tips in mind. So let me give you a tip here. So limit the number of slices. So you can aim for 5 to 6 categories at most. Too many slices can make it hard to read. Okay, so you can use a percentage. So percentages are often more intuitive than raw values for understanding the proportions. Then you can avoid the overlapping charts. So don't use pie charts for time series or comparison between two pies. It can be misleading. So you can use a bar or column chart instead. Okay. Yeah, so that's all for today's session on pie charts. They are simple yet powerful for showcasing proportions in your data. But remember, they are most effective when you use sparingly and thoughtfully. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming topics in our Power BI series. So, tomorrow on day 17, we'll be exploring a new visual of Power BI. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.